Hello everyone, welcome to Food Chemistry by Amruta. I hope you all are doing well and enjoying my yummy delicacies. Since summer is round the corner, we all are getting that mango cravings and sour and spicy pickles recipes. Obviously, our grandmom and mother are very popular with their heavenly delicious pickles. I am going to try a very instant and sour and spicy pickle in today's video. For that I have taken 3 mangoes. I have cut them into small pieces like this, and the size of mango is around this much. And for that quick masala, I am planning to use masalas from my box, which is the cumin seeds. So cumin seeds will be 4 tablespoons. Then half tablespoon of fenugreek seeds. This is 4 to 5 cloves of garlic. This is 1 bowl of coriander seeds. This is optional, this is not mandatory, you can take it, otherwise you can skip this. This is roasted sesame. I have grounded it, and this is 1 tablespoon. Here you can see the fine powder out of the spices, which included jeera, coriander seeds and some part of fenugreek seeds. So this is ready, and now you have to use a pan. I have taken oil into this, and this is the measurement which I have used. So this is 240 ml. So I have taken 240 ml of oil. Make the oil little bit warm and allow it to cool for some time. The oil is almost lukewarm now, so I am planning to put 1 tablespoon of jeera and 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds. Stir it a little. Now coming towards our mango pieces, I am planning to put chili powder. So we'll put chili powder as per our spice taste. So if you want more spicy, you can use more than 4 tablespoons, but I am using 4 tablespoons of chili powder, half a tablespoon of haldi powder, salt as per taste. So I think 2 tablespoons will be fine for this much quantity. Of course, this masala is very important, so we will put this also. Mix this spices all together. I have mixed all the spices along with the mango pieces. Now I am planning to put this garlic. Garlic will be very nice flavoring agent with the pickle. Mix this well. And finally we are going to add the oil which was kept aside. So my instant mango pickle recipe is ready and it is looking delicious. Here you have to remember one tip, that the mango should be little sour and it should be raw. Make sure you check with your vegetable vendor. I hope you like my quick and easy mango pickle recipe. If you want to try this, do watch the video till end and let me know how it turned out for you. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please support and subscribe to Food Chemistry by Amruta. Thank you.